Hey, that's okay. We need to see what to do today. Today is so what are you seeing right now? Okay. Has that changed anything? Well, let's figure it out here. Yeah, right. Now what do you see? Perfect. Let's see, input, source, select input. What do I push? Select new input. Cancel. Let's see. Okay. Camera. Presentation statistics. Add. Set. Legendary. No, I don't want to add a call. Oh, here we go. VGA input. Now what are you seeing? Nothing. Input. Auxiliary input. Still nothing? Do you see me or do you see my chalkboard, my whiteboard? That didn't help me any. Well, okay, we'll just do it the normal way. We'll move the camera, I guess. I guess I should know that it never works and just forget trying to make it work. Now I can't even get my camera to work. There we go, that's good. That's bad. That's decent, I suppose. Can't see the screen. Okay, good. Good enough. All right. Now can you see my screen there? Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Okay, let's ready to go. Light. All right. It's gonna let me in or what? All right. Okay, so let's get started here a little bit. Let's take a look at our syllabus. I think we're supposed to be done with our drawing today. So I'll expect that to be turned in. Looks like Monday, at least 75% complete and complete by Tuesday. So I would like a draft of your drawing that's pretty much done, and then tomorrow at the latest I want your drawing completely done so that we can get that drawing ready for printing. Anything that's going to be printed, we want to get ready for printing. Anything that's going to be printed in your drawing needs to be put into a separate drawing. You can cut it and paste it, copy it, paste it, whatever. From one drawing to the next, you just highlight the parts and copy them, paste them in a new drawing. And then you're going to need to get it ready, get your drawing ready, your three-dimensional model, ready for printing. Now, where's my Google SketchUp? I must have got rid of it. That's not good because it takes forever to download. Let's take a look at this anyway. I wonder if I have a copy of it here. Alright, so what we're going to need to do is download an extension for Google SketchUp is what they're called. I think they're called extensions. But the idea here is you download this thing into Google SketchUp, and it's best to do it directly in Google SketchUp, because if you do it outside of it, then you have to install it separately, which is kind of a pain in the neck. Where's my school name? And lastly, goodness, this thing is never going to be happy with what I do here. Okay, so I guess I can't download SketchUp right now, but that's okay. What we really want to do is we want to go to the extension warehouse, and you can get to this directly from Google SketchUp. If you go up, I believe, to Tools in SketchUp, or maybe to the SketchUp in the menu, but I was going to try to download SketchUp so I could show you directly, but I can't. But anyway, if you go to, it's in the extension warehouse, and what we're looking for is this guy right here, actually, SketchUp STL. So when you're drawing in SketchUp, you've got these solid parts like you're seeing here, and they're all closed surfaces so that everything between the surfaces is considered to be a solid piece of material. Google SketchUp turns that into a tool path, or a path along that surface that the printer can follow so that you can get into printing mode. And so you need to go from the SketchUp file, which is an SKP file, to the STL file. And when you're going to do this, you're going to go up to File in Google SketchUp, and you're going to export as an STL file. It says right here, this is STL importer. You don't want to do that. It's going to be an STL exporter. But you want to get the SketchUp STL extension from the SketchUp warehouse so that you can mail me that file. And I want you to go ahead and do that yourselves so that you get some practice time doing that. If your model is not a closed surface, it will tell you that, and it will warn you that it's not going to print, and you'll have to fix it. But as long as you've closed up all your surfaces, you should be fine. So that is the next step after you've completed your models in Google SketchUp. And again, I would recommend going into Google SketchUp and downloading this extension specifically from inside of Google SketchUp. So, how are you guys coming on your drawings? Okay. So when you get to being at a point where you think you're about 75% done, you've just got a few things to touch up and finish up, send me a copy today by email so that I can have that for my file. I'll also be checking your email. I'll be sending out some emails with grades in them today, and check your email for those. Check your grades to make sure that I've entered in everything that you think you've turned in, and if there's something that's missing from those, send me an email, send me a copy of the thing that's missing so that I can make sure that gets entered in. Any other questions as to where we're at right now? That's fine. No big deal. All right. Any other questions? All right. Well, get working on your drawings. Get those finished up. Get them ready for printing. Download this SketchUp STL extension from the extension, well, from inside of SketchUp. Download that extension and get it up and running. It might make you start SketchUp over again. It might make you restart it. But then you'll just go up to File and export things as an STL. It sometimes has it under Tools, it sometimes has it under File. It depends on which version and which computer you're using. But look for something that says Export to STL or SketchUp to STL or something like that. Save everything as an STL file, and we will get these things printing. All right? Make sure that you're doing any updating you need to do in your logbooks as well, because you're going to be turning those in for credit. Make sure your logbooks are up to date and you've got all of your activities in there for this project, along with links and pictures and everything else. All right, well, with no other questions, we can let you get to work on your drawings, and I will be around for the next hour or so to answer questions if you need to email me or call me. See ya.